gangway exit here. Hey, look, it's Janet. So the gangway, it says, is here. Oh, here's towels right here. An escalator. Oh, that's fancy, huh? Wow. Maybe it will be a perfect day at Coco Cay. Which I noticed the cruise director pronounced it K instead of Key. Hi.
Have a good day.
You have a good day. Enjoy the rest of your cruise. Hi.
Thank you.
How efficient. And there's at least 2 of these gangways, forward and back. Oh, and it is windy. This is quite the wind tunnel here. These ships are huge. And I mean huge. We're at the end of the ships. There's still a lot of dock ahead of us though. A lot of dock. And the ocean is super rough today. Can you see that? Can you hear it? See how much wider the Utopia is? But we're still on the dock. Or pier. Walkway. Whatever you want to call it. So on this side it says perfect day. On this side it says Coco Cay. Although I think it's pronounced Key. But perfect day at Coco Cay rhymes, doesn't it? Junkanoo dancers. Thrill water park. Now, I understand the water park costs extra, so don't come here and without planning to spend a lot of money. But here's a map. We're going to go to Chill Island today, at least for a little while. There's restrooms. There's Sandy Lane. Of course, the water park. And hopefully plenty of chairs and umbrellas. So this is a little different than Princess Keys. Right? A little different. And they've got places to sell you things. And I'm sure they take your shipboard account. And, well.
Oh.
So this is one of the dining venues. Showers, restrooms, towel station. Have lots of towel stations. There's the ships. We're going to cross through the lagoon and go to Cocoa Beach. I hope. See the bridge? Easy. Wow, this is a huge swimming pool. You see that? That is maybe the second biggest swimming pool I've ever seen. It looks like it has, sand right up to it, but not in it, I guess. Well, not on that side. And just takes you around. Hey, here comes Janet. So this is a beach, and there's more over there, and there's more over that way. Juice, drinks, cabanas, those cost more. Umbrellas, lounge chairs. I guess those are people's private things you rent out over the water there. Coco Beach, and it is super fine sand, but with little bits of shell in it and plants. But no people. You see that? There's maybe 10 people out here. Of course, it goes all the way over there. That looks like wave runners. Of course, the cabanas, I said, for rent. Well, there's a bar. We're headed to South Beach now. This is Coco Beach. And it's pretty uncrowded. And that's Oasis Lagoon, the pool, still. Restrooms. Sports pavilion. Oh, I guess they... And you'll notice they have sand, you know, strollers and wheelchairs. See the big fat tires? Just follow the signs. It's a balloon. Okay, that sign led us around that building, and now we're getting back on the same road we were on.
Morning, guys.
Cool, huh? Hi. It's like a jungle in here. And a dark jungle at that. Oh, it's a Janet. I guess these are buttonwood trees. Well, that's the road. And this is the trail to South Beach still. Maybe out. I guess this is South Beach.
Right up ahead of us someplace.
Well, go this way now. But hey, we found a bar.
How far is it?
Well, this is a huge beach with a lot of chairs. And we're trying to find some people. You know, those people. So I'm going to maneuver out to the front. There's no trails really. I guess this is out to the front. So there are thousands of people here. Okay, maybe a couple hundred. Hopefully somebody will spot us that we know. I see Austin, I think. Maybe not. I see Christina. Hey, Christina.
Hi! Jesse's down there. If you see him, that's our row.
With a baseball hat on? Well, let's go in the water, okay? Probably should have worn my hat or a rash guard. But a few minutes won't hurt us, will it? Ah. Somebody's made something. Oh, the water's a little cool. And it's got, you know, a little bit of shell in it, which is not pleasing. But I guess I'm going to get used to it. Also, it's a little murky, but I think that's from all the people because it is a sand bottom. You know what I mean? Here, look for yourself. Oh, it's Christina. They're way out there. That's a bar, but you got to swim to it. I saw people, I thought they were standing out here, like those guys right there. See, they're standing up, but I cannot touch the bottom here. So it must go down and then back up towards the reef. See the bottom, and it's a little dark and a little sandy, so I don't know if it's grass or coral. It looks like grass. Have a look. Do you think it's that? Just floated in my face. Anyway. We had a runaway rain. You know, it's windy and the wind is blowing out to sea. And I stirred up a lot of mud because that's what I'm kind of walking in right now. Mud and grass. And I didn't want to, but I had to save my ring. But it is grass. There's very few sharp things down there, and so
And a lot of muck.
I don't like the mud.
I don't think the snorkeling's going to be any good here. So out there, it's like mud and grass. I mean, you can walk in it. Here, it's like hard-packed sand. See, it's sand with shells, but it's like I'm not making any footprints. It's so hard. And then here's some more grass. Seaweed, whatever you want to call it. There's the balloon. And those are overwater bungalows, which you could rent for, I don't know, $1,000. And there are people circulating through here trying to find a seat, an umbrella, whatever. And I'm afraid they're not going to find it. Some people are looking for a place to sit, and some people are looking for where they're sitting. It's solid blue umbrellas and blue and white striped, and solid blue and blue and white striped, and they're in rows. And under the solid blue, the chairs are blue. But under the blue and white stripe, the chairs are yellow. And it's repeated all the way down and all the way up the beach. So that might be a little help to you. Well, this is the snack shack, and so it's included. Or topping.
Pineapple sounds really good, but I don't see it up here. But I guess it's
Anyway, the lines are pretty long. And there's plenty of drink stations. There's one here, there's one over there. There's hand washing stations. Don't know if anyone's bothering here. I got a crispy the shack chicken. And it's a big piece of chicken on a bun. Also got funnel cake and fries. And lemonade to wash it all down. So that's all included. Free, let's say. Leaving South Beach, heading back along the jungle trail. Remember, they don't want you on the road. We could have taken the tram, but we didn't. Our perfect day at Coco Cay is rapidly coming to an end. Not sure how perfect it was. I mean, it's the beach and it's warm and The water's cool, and they had free umbrellas and chairs. Food, of course. We'll talk more about it later. So we're on return to the beach from Perfect Day and Coco Cay. Yeah, we got wet towels. They said we could not return towels there at the beach that we checked out on ship. So we each have 2 damp towels, and we brought snorkeling equipment.
There's no snorkeling here.
Yeah, I don't know where people snorkel. Maybe there, but look how rough it is. But of course we're going on another cruise next week, so